All right, so as you guys can see, the package touched down. I know you guys probably, y'all wondering what I got in the package. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, what we got today? You know what I'm saying? But look, shout out to TheeBarberess on Instagram. I'll put her IG up right here. You know what I'm saying? I have never, ever ordered any modified clipper blade, trimmer blade, any modified trimmers or anything like that. Everything that I get is always original, and I end up zero gapping or modifying myself. But I'm not gonna lie, shout out to the boy Beam. He put me on with TheeBarberess, you know what I'm saying? Like, can't lie. I'm definitely excited to see what these gonna do, you know what I'm saying? Let me do a quick little unboxing while I'm talking to you guys. But like I was saying, yo, shout out to Beam, man. He really put me on. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, man. I was not a believer in the Andis, whatever you wanna call them, Evo GTXs or whatever you wanna call them, just as cordless GTXs, it don't even matter to me. But once I seen them in Beam video, you know what I'm saying, it was like, okay, she knows what she's talking about, she knows what she's doing for sure. And I seen previous videos that he dropped, you know what I'm saying, but that last video he dropped really made me a believer. So let me show you guys what I see in the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. So look, the packaging is real nice, you know what I'm saying. Y'all really can't on camera though. But not gonna be a secret. I'm not gonna go through it and show you guys what come in it, because I know y'all seen plenty of videos of this trimmer right here. We got the Babyliss Pro FX3s, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all see the Lamborghini on it, you know what I mean? See that thing right there? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? And the good thing about it, anything you order from her already comes modified, sharpened, zero gap, all that. And I also got a GTX blade. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that GTX blade yet. I might put it on my cordless T outliner, cause right now I have a ProMate blade on. And I mean, don't get me wrong, it's pretty decent, but it don't hit the way I wanted to hit. And of course I got my actual quarter GTXs, and I really don't wanna mess with these, just off the simple fact I done got them punching, they doing what they need to do, they doing their thing, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, we gonna see. But the main point, I wanna show you guys the FX3. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, we'll do, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just let me know in the comment section actually. If y'all wanna see how the GTX blade hits, holler at me, you know what I'm saying? We might do that. Actually, we're gonna put that in this video too, you know what I'm saying? We showing everything that we get from her. You know what I'm saying? I don't want you to think you guys would think if there's any like sponsorship, endorsement, all this is 100% real, authentic reviews and stuff like that. So we just gonna get right into it, man. Not gonna keep beating around the bush. If you're new, like, comment, share, subscribe. If you don't like this video, hit the dislike button as well, you know what I'm saying? Not gonna hurt no feelings over here, man. I like honest opinions and whatnot. So let's see what we got. Let's turn them on. Before we even turn them on, let's look at them. Yeah, she got these joints set. Can't even lie. These joints are set. Can't even lie. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but these joints are set. And not even gonna hold you. These joints low-key set perfect. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. This is my first time ever holding this trimmer in my hand. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot different than this one right here, but we're not doing no comparisons. Too many videos out there already. Let's just see if I can touch my hand, you know what I'm saying? It's the first live test on my hand. Let's see what we got. Can't lie. Can't lie. If you're heavy-handed, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? You might have to do some readjustments. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Cause these joints right here, they don't bite, but too much pressure, for sure. Like look, I don't know if y'all can see it, but like, it's leaving an ash line and everything, and they not biting. But these joints right here, I can already tell, they require a light touch. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So other than that, let me check out the GTX. Let's see how she got it aligned. And then let's get into the actual video, man. What y'all been waiting for? Yeah, she got these joints set too. Can't even lie. Can't even lie. She got these joints set. I don't know if y'all can even see that, but them joints set, man. I can't even lie, yo. Like, yeah, they definitely set closer than mine right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, man. Like mine are set, they up there, but these joints, they are up there. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take that blade off of that GTX and throw her modified sharpened blade on it. Just tell you guys, I'm gonna let you guys see it, you know what I'm saying? I might come back on here, I don't know. I'm just gonna let you guys be the verdict for real. Y'all drop it in the comment section, man. Tell me what you guys think. So without further ado, let's get into it. First and foremost, man, I want to say Happy New Year to everybody that's watching this video, man. And I want to thank you for tuning into this video. And if you made it this far, man, drop a comment in the comment section. Just let me know you made it. You know what I mean? We here. We got action. But as you guys can see, man, I really don't even have to speak too much on this right here. You guys see I'm breaking off with my FX3, setting in that first initial guideline. And, hey, they're eating through the hair. I do got to be honest with you guys, though. On certain clients, I did notice that this trimmer blade right here was kind of digging into the pores a little bit, and on certain textures it kind of was pulling the hair as well. But I'm not gonna lie, like that's kind of one of them things that it should be expected anyway, because like I said, they're modified, they're zero gap shit, damn near perfect, you know what I mean? So that's kind of something that I would kind of just be mindful of if you do go through and order something from TheeBarberess on Instagram. You know, but as you guys can see right here, man, like I'm using little to no touch at all. And I mean, we're getting a nice predominant line, man. And you see we're going around the ear using literally just the corner of the blade, using the trimmer just like a pencil. And we're getting a nice line all the way through. And man, for me, it took a lot for me to kind of get used to this trimmer just because I'm used to the Babyliss Gold FXs. But I'm not going to lie, like once you really get comfortable with this trimmer right here, this trimmer can do a lot, you know what I mean? I'm a little biased though, I'm not gonna lie, because it's like sometimes I like it and sometimes I don't, and I just feel like that just depends on the client's hair texture, honestly. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But you guys can see right here, man, I'm literally just tapping and we're getting a nice predominant line on the back of the beard as well as the back of the neck, and just cleaning it up, man, and just making it do what it do. And we break off with our Andis GTXs right here. And I'm not gonna lie, you know, for me, I guess you could leave it just like this, but you know, I do feel like I had to come back over the line a little more than I would like to. But you know, my veteran barbers, my OG barbers, I'm sure you guys know this, man. And to my new barbers, with any Andis blade that you get, Andis blades have to be broken in, man. It's like whatever type of grease or oil that they put on the blades when they first send them out or whatever, man, it's kind of like you got to wear those off and then you know, break into it. And you know, that's when your trimmers will start hitting for real. And y'all gonna see on the back of the neckline, like them joints started punching, like just randomly. And then on the back of the beard is where they just started punching. So I kind of was feeling like they was already kind of broken in, but just needed to be broken a little more, if that makes sense. But y'all let me know in the comment section, man, which ones you think are hitting more, the GTX blade or the FX3s. I mean, like right here, man, y'all see I'm just tapping and going, and them joints is there. The line is there, you know what I mean? And using these on all my clients, man, I ask them, do you know, they feel like they're biting or they're uncomfortable, and everybody said no, they just feel like they're sharp, which they are. So like I said in the beginning, man, if you are a heavy-handed barber and you order something from her, be mindful of that, man, because these joints are not nothing to play with. And if you're just starting off, be mindful, like, you know what I mean? These can take your career to the next level for sure, but you got to make sure you're not using a heavy touch. So right here, we're just gonna break off into the natural front line, man, and y'all gonna see, man, they doing what they got to do. So I'm gonna let you guys just rock out, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section, man, what you think, and let me know what trimmers you feel like hit the hardest, the GTX blade or the FX3s, man. And until next time, man, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, man. And I pray that this new year brings you everything that you want and more. And if you're new, please hit that like button, subscribe button, drop a comment in the comment section, turn post notifications on as well. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff, man, and give me recommendations of what you guys want, man. And y'all be blessed.
HBG, that's crazy.